third time's a charm, and hopefully these will be the best for my narrow feet. Got the Saloman Diag dual BOA team in white, grey, pinstripe and black. UK size 11. Ta-da! Stormtrooper look-likey. Interesting, you don't have tissues down the middle. You got these big taller old things keeping their shape. Look at the tread, look at the tread. Texture along the toe box with Saloman embossed into the rubber there. Saloman S. You've got the side BOA for that bottom zone, that top BOA for that top zone. And you can see the liner poking up there with a hook across the back. Mesh foamy material along there. Response liner. You got another hook along the front and on the inside of that liner there. Saloman branding. The fundamental design on these allows the sides of the boot to flex into the bottom, so you can see that going in there. So it shouldn't allow the boot to be stiff. Instead, it should be softer. Then inside of the boot here, you can see that V symbol with that extra padding. Hopefully be able to hold my narrow feet as well as my narrow ankles. And inside of the boot without the liner, this is what the liner looks like here. You can see the padding along the rear to get that heel hold on both sides there. Hook along the top goes all the way down to the bottom. Definitely feel comfy. We shall see how these fare